Hi, I show you employment process in our system. Actually, we use two systems to manage this process, HR system and ITSM system. When manager create request for new employee in HR system, our IT member receive mail notification. So it's standard notification where we have employee name, date of employment, location, department, and so on. Engineer can follow this link and open HR form. In this form, we have main information, employee name, location, position, department, date of employment, hiring status, type of employment, who will be curator of this employee, and location. In this case, as we see, location isn't specified. And when we check all this information, as IT staff, we can start employment process in our system. So we go to BMC SDE, our ITSM system, open employment form, and start to fill all required field. So we have date of employment. We can just copy paste from here, but I will select 25 of May, name Ivana Stanek, number, candidate number is unique number for each employee at Subserve. Let's fill. So we select 25 of May, Ivana Stanek, number, unique number. Next section is link to, it could be to HR system or to another useful link. So we can just copy, for example, this one. And when I click on this button, I'm redirect to this link. Also, I can link here ticket to some, for example, cross procedure. Here we have list of all exist ticket. I can select from here or just type here some number. And when I click on this button, this ticket is open and I check all information I need. So next section is about team, manager, coacher, and position. As we check here, we have department, marketing department, as you see. So we put marketing. And manager of this team is of the field here. If we change to another one, it will be changed as well. So we select marketing. Here we have a list of all team at Subserve. We can filter, sort it, and find any department we need. Next one is field coacher. So here we have Pavel Lopatka, and I put it here. So here we have a list of all employees at Subserve. We can find it and select, or just put last name and it will be filled. We have this first name and last name. Also, employee can be assigned to another team. For example, if employee is subcontractor, he can be assigned to some team, and we can select this one, for example. Next one is position. Very important field. We have here position is senior marketing specialist. So we just start type and select So we have senior marketing specialist and have default package. Default package is standard equipment which can be provided to this employee. We can check. So for this employee, we have one monitor, half of IP phone. This means that this phone will be shared with another employee, and standard PC. If we check, for example, this one, we have a lot of other equipment, presenter, TV, conference device, mainstream monitor, and so on. This package is for meeting room, actually. And if we change here, this one, not good, this one. As you see, package is changed and equipment change as well. Here we have cost package and position level for this position. So let's change to our position. Oh, sorry, it is senior marketing. This one. So as you see, here we have PC and duty monitor. If a manager specifies some special equipment for this employee, we can add it manually. Type here this custom package and, for example, select some AP phone and some additional monitor. Yeah. And it means that this equipment will be provided to new employee. Here we can link custom procurement incident if procurement is needed. Do the same, some tickets, and check what is this. And next we have location. So this location, for example, in this form we do not have location, but let's select, pick anyone. So for example, this, as you see, room is filtered by office. We can select only room for this from this office. For example, this one, and place. Also, only one place is in this room, so we put it. And it is, we just save this form. We have sequence, card creator, that's me, and we should wait till 25 of May because next steps for this process should be performed 3 days before date of employment. Today we have only 19 of May, so we should wait. And for example, today is 21 of May, and I will check planned employment for 25 May. It's quick view. It helps us to find needed form. And for example, I have this one. Yeah, it's my form, and I can start process. So I just click here and create incident for this form. So I select employment template, is standard template. After applying this field are filled automatically, I select project and subject. We have employment of. And also I select implementation date and time because in some cases date of employment and implementation date can be different. It means that employee gets access to our network 25 of May, but equipment will be provided, for example, 26 of May. So here we have. After applying this template, we receive 5 work orders. It means list of tasks which should be done for this process by different team. As you see, we have PC account creation in Active Directory, configuring SKS and LAN port for network team, installing hardware equipment, and encrypt disk in case if it is a laptop. And when we refresh this form, we see that the form is linked to new created incident. We can go to incident directly from form and go to form directly from incident. It's cross-link and very useful. So let's imagine that process is started and we doing next step. So we can link here ticket for creation account in Active Directory, any, and our engineer create username for this employee and put it here. For example, is Danek, first letter of name and last name. And also we create name for PC Active Directory and put it here, for example, this. Also, location should be checked by office support. They should be check if this place is available and employee can be seated there. So they just checked. And when it's already done, we check create logistic card, saves this form, and in few seconds logistic cards will be created. This card we used for providing equipments and automatically updating information for this equipment. I will show you how it's works. So here we have two monitors, workstation PC and IP phone, the same as here. And we can just select needed. We can put here inventory number or select any. For example, I will add my. As you see, all fields are filled automatically. We have here inventory number, model name, CI name, current CI state, and destination for this equipment, which updated from main form. So now we save it. And for example, second monitor isn't needed anymore. We can cancel it and do not select anything. And one monitor, we just put some inventory number and it will be filled. And for example, doesn't need it as well. So close it. And it means that this equipment will be provided to employee. This two inventory, this and this. And network engineers should fill this field as SKS, LAN port, VLAN, IP range. If PC will be connected by SKS, we select any SKS. Here we have a list of it, or can just, for example, start to type and select this one. As you see, LAN port is filled automatically because it's linked here. And we can select some VLAN and the IP range will be filled as well. If this PC will be connected only by Wi-Fi, we can erase it and just check the Wi-Fi connection. As you see, this field become unused. And we can just fill some details if needed. and change status. We have list of statuses. For example, if I select investigation, it means that there is some problem with this process and we should stop it, put on hold. And when already is prepared and equipment can be provided and connected to network, our engineer just check it and change status to implemented. When they change status to implemented, this card will be closed automatically, and information on this CI will be updated. It means that it will be assigned to employee, will be changed location, status from storage to production, inventory date will be changed, and the same for monitor, the same for PC. We have some checks. For example, we can change status to implement it if this card is not filled, and we can close incident until form is in status implemented. And when we close form, when we close incident, it means that everything is updated correctly, that all equipments are assigned to this person, and process is done. The end.